Hi guys, so today we are playing Melon Playground The Flood. So this plan is really, sorry it takes so long to build it out, but whatever. That takes so long to build it. So I think they carry on. Wait, I forgot to that. Takes so long. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, beep, 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 beep. Shut up! Why is this thing filling up? Beep, 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 beep. Just stand! Oh, this clock is so annoying. The alarm is so annoying. Jackson, come down here. It's lunchtime. First put on your clothes and ready for breakfast. Okay, Mom. Okay. I have to wear. I get my pants. I get my shoes. I get my shirt. I'm ready, Mom. Thank you. Thank you, son. Ow, I fall downstairs, but anyway. So anyway, that's okay. Ow, ow, ow! Oh, that's the rich. Ow, ow, ow! Somebody open the door. Okay, I thought that somebody locked the door. Like why my legs are like this? Why my legs are broken? Okay, there we go. If these other legs are broken, just do it. Oh, I'm too big to fit in there. Anyway, it's time to go. Walking. Why can I walk inside? Oh, there we go. Sorry, now we're gonna drop my apple. Okay, you do breakfast, guys. Even though pour your tea box and your teacups. And enough. Mom, I don't want a teaspoon. Mom, I don't want a teaspoon. Okay, you can drink without this teaspoon. That's very hot. You must need just teaspoon so you can taste a little bit. Mom, fine, you can drink it. Yay! Hey, time to pull wheels on your baby brother. And time to pull wheels. Whoa! Why did you take off your shirt? Because it's hot, Mom. Now you spill your coffee. Now you spill your tea. Let's drink it. It's not even got spilled. Pretend you spilled. Oh, you spilled all over. Now I lost my. No. Bro, what happened to my freaking legs? Okay. So that's now. Time to drink. What can you done, baby brother? Mom, why my apple got in the floor? So I can't eat it because it's rotten. Because it's rotten. Now eat the apple, guys. Apple tasty. Even though, how your shirt got ripped? Because of the apple. I just hit it harder and my shirt got ripped. Okay, now you got shirt got ripped. Eat mine. Yeah. Oh, my shirt are dirty. Mom, can I watch TV? Don't have a TV, so just watch on your phone. Watch on your iPhone. Let me watch. Let's watch. Breaking news! The flood that can flooded the whole Melon Playground city. So this Melon City is gonna flood until it's raining. So stay inside, and tomorrow is a flood. So do not come outside, and you must be safe. You must go in the boat, go in the APC, and anything. So choose a boat. APC can float on water. So that's all for the breaking news. That's all for the breaking news. What? That's all for the breaking news? Why? Ma, that's gonna be a flood. I'm gonna go to sleep because it's nighttime already. Wait, it's not nighttime, dum-dum. It's nighttime. Never mind, it's nighttime. Wait. Never mind. And now it's raining. What another lovely sleep. Let's check it out. Let's check it no, we okay, time to go out downstairs. Time to go downstairs because what the? How is it water? Dun, dun, dun. What the heck? Oh, what? Put it in underwater syringe. Maybe we can survive. Underwater syringe can do that. Underwater syringe has... Because it's annoying and stupid. Masenze into ethile nansi ibhafa or something like that andiyazi because uye athi xa ithetha nawo athi ndikude for amantu wam ubanceda bendizenza ngokwam so mna wayengenzizi washo wathi ndingazisebenzisa nje iziwasho ke zinto ziyishilisi
Umwana makafika ngingekho makenze uqamba khona kuleyo.
What is this water syringe do? Water syringe do? That can help you breathe underwater. Oh yeah, that can help you breathe underwater. So cool. Guys, you must escape.
Because of no use of the eyes.
How are we gonna escape? There's a door here. Yeah, but we can't breathe. Oh, we can go to that small one. Oh, we can go there. Ah, I'm dying. That's not supposed to be happening. Oh, open the door. Open the door. Oh, I gotta go. Come on.
Uyanyuka ngefrench, nyuka ngefrench, fold.
Jackson.
Ngoba lamathanga kakulila efold usule eleha. Kanti ngibile sayona yenzelwe iframe. Iframe lithu. So xa uyinyusa uyayinyusa uyilike. Xa ifika phezulu iyaklika.
Okay,
Ingathi
guys, let's
iyaklika
go
inyuka
into
ukuthi
safe.
clip.
But there's no rooms.
But ke asikafiki apho but sinayenza loo nto leyo. Jongela langa ngoku. Jongela langa ngoku. Ngoku xa uhleli phaa ufana noko uyabona uziprotekte elangeni. It's either noba uyayidropa because ungafikela elanga lingekho ezantsi liphaa phezulwanyana. So ungakwazi uyibeka half mast. Senditsho kaloku de understanda leyo izuru. But kodwa bizawushift
Start the APC.
izawusimoshela ifenishi uba ngakasinayo. Yabona namalaphu le nto sivela yenza abantu nomfana ugqola nguku.
I hope we go to land. Oh, there's land. We can go to land. Yeah, let's get out of the car now. Okay, I'm in land now. Okay, I'm in land now. Yes, baby. Yay! I'm slower sliding. Oops. Bro, what the? Okay, so we out to the boat. So let's walk away because our house is about to sink. So let's go. Do 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 do.